General knowledge questions by Aspire Competitions. You can download PDF in the link description given below. Which of the following are associated with Global Innovation Index? A. Cornell University. B. World Intellectual Property Organization. C. INSEAD. D. All of the above. The answer is all of the above. The index is released by Cornell University of USA, Intellectual Property Organization WIPO, and INSEAD, a France-based international business school. It ranks 130 world economies according to their innovation capabilities, using more than 80 indicators from patent filings to education spending. It is computed based on the average of scores in two sub-indices, that is, the Innovation Input Index and Innovation Output Index. India currently ranks 52 out of 130 countries on Global Innovation Index 2019. Switzerland is the world's most innovative country, followed by Sweden, USA, Netherlands, UK, according to 2019 edition of Global Innovation Index. Which of the following statements regarding Saint Ramanujacharya are correct? He is a Vaishnavite saint. 2. He preached Vishishtadvaita philosophy. Options: A. One only. B. Only two. C. Both one and two. D. Neither one nor two. The answer is C. Both 1 and 2. He was born in 1017 AD. He was a Hindu theologian, philosopher, and one of the most important exponents of Sri Vaishnavism tradition within Hinduism. His guru Yadava Prakasha, part of Advaita Vedanta monastic tradition. Ramanuja followed the footsteps of Indian Alvars tradition, the scholars Nathamuni and Yamunacharya. Famous works: wrote Bhashya on Brahma Sutras and Bhagavad Gita, all in Sanskrit. He is famous as the chief proponent of Vishishtadvaita, sub-school of Vedanta. According to him, God is a Sadguna Brahman. He also advocated Pabhati Marga, or path of self-surrender to God, to attain salvation through intense devotion to Vishnu. Ramanuja's philosophical foundation was qualified monism and is called Vishishtadvaita in Hindu tradition. The Vishishtadvaita is so called because it inculcates the Advaita or oneness of God with Vishesha or attributes. It is therefore called qualified monism. His ideas are one of three sub-schools in Vedanta. The other two known are Adi Shankara's Advaita, absolute monism, and Madhavacharya's Dvaita, dualism. Biogas is composed of A. Ethane, CO2, H2 and N2, B. Methane, CO2 and H2, C. Methane, CO2 and N2, D. Ethane, methane and CO2. The option is B. Methane, CO2 and H2. Biogas is a mixture of colorless and odorless gases. A major portion in biogas being methane, CH4, and carbon dioxide, CO2. It also contains traces of other gases like H2, hydrogen, moisture, H2O, hydrogen sulfide, H2S, etc. Hemavati, Shimsha and Arkavati are the tributaries of A. Tapati, B. Krishna, C. Tungabhadra, D. Kaveri. The answer is D. Kaveri. Kaveri river flows through Karnataka and Tamil Nadu states. The Kaveri river rises at Talakaveri on Brahmagiri range in the Western Ghats, Kodagu district of Karnataka. It is the third largest river after Godavari and Krishna in South India and the largest in the state of Tamil Nadu. Sikkim was made an integral part of India under the A. 36th Amendment Act, B. 39th Amendment Act, C. 40th Amendment Act, D. 44th Amendment Act. The answer is A. 36th Amendment Act. 36th Amendment Act 1975 made Sikkim a full-fledged state of Indian Union and omitted the 10th schedule. 4 languages under 8th schedule were added under which of the following Constitutional Amendment Act? A. 90th Constitutional Amendment Act, B. 91st Constitutional Amendment Act, C. 92nd Constitutional Amendment Act, D. 93rd Constitutional Amendment Act. So answer is C. 92 Constitutional Amendment Act. 92nd Constitutional Amendment Act 2003 included 4 more languages in 8th schedule. They are Bodo in language speaking in Assam, Dongri in Himachal Pradesh, Maithili in Bihar and Santal in Jharkhand. With this, the total number of constitutionally recognized languages increased to 22. Trick to remember Constitutional Amendment Acts on languages. 21 plus 71 is equal to 92. 21st Constitutional Amendment Act in 1967 introduced Sindhi language. It became the 15th language. 71st Constitutional Amendment Act of 1992 included Konkani, Manipuri and Nepali. So it made 18 languages, and the last 4 are Bodo, Dongri, Maithili and Santali. The Marathi fortnightly Bahishkrit Bharat was started by A. Balagangadhar Tilak, B. Gopal Krishna Gokhale, C. Gandhi, D. B.R. Ambedkar. So the answer is D. B.R. Ambedkar. Other paper started by B.R. Ambedkar, Muk Naik Weekly. Kesari Maharatta by Balagangadhar Tilak, Navajivan Young India Weekly, Harijan Opinion by Gandhiji, Rastgoftar, also called Truth Teller, Voice of India, Dadabhai Nauroji, Al Hilal Weekly 1912 and Al Balag by Abul Kalam Azad. The Protection of Civil Rights Act 1955 is related to A. Fundamental rights of all individuals, B. Fundamental rights of all citizens, C. Prohibition of untouchability, D. Fundamental right to freedom. The answer is C. Prohibition of untouchability. The Protection of Civil Rights Act 1955 is an act to prescribe punishment for the preaching and practice of untouchability, for the enforcement of any disability arising therefrom, and for matters connected therewith. Article 17 deals with untouchability, and untouchability is abolished and its practice in any form is forbidden. The Constituent Assembly of India started functioning from A. 9th December 1946, B. 1st January 1947, C. 26th January 1947, D. 15th August 1947. The answer is 9th December 1946. The Constituent Assembly met on December 9, 1946, and Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected as its president. The Muslim League did not join the assembly. A statue of bearded man was found at A. Harappa, B. Mohenjo-daro, C. Lothal, D. Kot Diji. The answer is B. Mohenjo-daro. A well-known piece of art of Harappan period is a stone sculpture of a bearded man discovered at Mohenjo-daro. His eyes are half closed, indicating a posture of meditation. Also known as Mount of Dead, located in Larkana district of Sindh in Pakistan, located on the banks of river Indus. Large granaries were found at Mohenjo-daro. Stone house is found at Mohenjo-daro. There is use of burnt bricks, mortar and gypsum in the great bath, and no use of stone in great bath. Ramcharitamanas was written by A. Kalidas, B. Shankaracharya, C. Tulsidas, D. Kabir. So answer is C. Tulsidas. Tulsidas was a worshipper of Rama, Vaishnavism. He composed the famous Ramcharitamanas, the Hindi version of Ramayana. Ramcharitamanas was written in Awadhi language, a language used in eastern UP. He is the author of Kavitavali and Geetavali. Tulsidas and Surdas accepted existing beliefs and practices but wanted to make this accessible to all. Fracking process is related to A. Shale gas production, B. Oil production, C. Mineral exploration, D. None of the above. So answer is shale gas production. Fracking is the process of drilling down into the earth before a high pressure water mixture is directed at the rock to release the gas inside. Water, sand and chemicals are injected into the rock at high pressure, which allows the gas to flow out to the head of the well. Nomadic elephant was exercised between A. India and Mongolia, B. India and Bangladesh, C. India and Nepal, D. India and Myanmar. So the answer is A. India and Mongolia. The 14th edition of India-Mongolia joint military exercise is being held from 5th to 18th October at Baklo, Himachal Pradesh. The Mongolian army is being represented by officers and troops of the Elite 084 Airborne Special Task Battalion, while the Indian Army is being represented by a battalion of Rajputana Rifles Regiment. Which of the following is not a part of IGM-DP? Agni missile series, B. Prithvi missiles, C. Astra missiles, D. Nag missiles. The answer is C. Astra missiles. IGM-DP means Integrated Guided Missile Development Program. So trick to remember IGM-DPs are Patna, P for Prithvi, A for Agni, T for Trishul, N for Nag, A for Akash. Countries with integrated guided missiles: USA, Russia, UK, France and China. Pneumoconiosis affects which of the following organs? A. Liver, B. Kidney, C. Lungs, D. Spleen. So the answer is C. Lungs. Pneumoconiosis is one of a group of interstitial lung disease caused by breathing in certain kinds of dust particles that damage your lungs. Because you are likely to encounter these dusts only in the workplace, pneumoconiosis is called an occupational lung disease. Identify the correct statements. Copper ion is present in hemocyanin. 2. Annelida is the largest known phylum in animal kingdom. Options are A. One only, B. Only two, C. Both 1 and 2, D. Neither 1 nor 2. So the answer is neither 1 nor 2. Cobalt ion is present in hemocyanin, not copper ion. So Annelida is not the largest known phylum. Arthropoda is the largest known phylum in animal kingdom. Insects, arachnids, crustaceans etc. belongs to Arthropoda. Gait analysis is related to agriculture research, B. Forensic analysis, C. Cyber security, D. Immunology. So the answer is B. Forensic analysis. Forensic gait analysis is a systematic study of how a person walks or runs. Gait analysis provides anatomical and biomechanical analysis of the gait, means walking and body movements of the individuals that are captured on CCTV. The act of gait walking involves most of the body's anatomy, including the upper torso and arms and is not exclusive to the feet and lower limbs. Good manufacturing practices is related to which of the following sectors? A. Defense, B. Electronics, C. Pharmaceuticals, D. Eco-friendly manufacturing. So the answer is C. Pharmaceuticals. Good manufacturing practice (GMP) is a system for ensuring that products are consistently produced and controlled according to the quality standards. It is designed to minimize the risks involved in any pharmaceutical production that cannot be eliminated through testing the final product. Identify the correct statements. There is no cure for thalassemia except bone marrow transplant. Thalassemia is considered as a disability rather than a health issue. Options are A. 1 only, B. only 2, C. both 1 and 2, D. neither 1 nor 2. So the answer is C. both 1 and 2. Thalassemia is an inherited, that is passed from parents to children through genes. A blood disorder caused when the body doesn't make enough of a protein called hemoglobin, an important part of RBCs, red blood cells. When there isn't enough hemoglobin, the body's RBCs don't function properly and they last shorter periods of time. People with thalassemia need lifelong blood transfusions and other therapies like iron removal medications for survival. Kilcare scheme is implemented by which of the following ministries? A. Human Resource Development, B. Agriculture, C. Health and Family Welfare, D. Women and Child Development. So the answer is C. Health and Family Welfare. Kilcare is a mobile health education service that provides pregnant women, new mothers and their families with timely, accessible, accurate and relevant information about reproductive, maternal, neonatal and child health. It aims to improve families' knowledge and uptake of life-saving preventive health practices. Kilcare is implemented by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Thank you for watching.